Hi, this is Mark Gilbert with my speech. Today's speech is going to be on the history of the Air Force. Help you guys better understand a little more about what the Air Force is about and how it originated from when it first started, and some of the changes we've gone through since then. It's also to get a better understanding of how it was originated and how it changed a little bit from then to now. Motto is fly, fight, and win. I live this motto every day, and for the last 5.5 years I've devoted my life to the Air Force. And today I'd like to tell everybody a little bit about how the Air Force started and changed over the years, and hope to show how far the Air Force has come from then to now. And we'll go ahead and start that. I think I'm qualified to give the speech on the Air Force because I have served for the last 5.5 years. The Air Force was originally part of the Army. It was called the Army Air Corps. Through a succession of changes of organization, titles, and missions, it advanced towards its eventual separation 40 years after its origination. In 1947 is when it separated on September 18th. The Air Force fought in every war since the Cold War, all the way up to the Afghan and Iraq wars of today. The Air Force has fought and supported in many different wars, from dropping bombs and firing missiles and taking control of towns, to its humanitarian efforts, where it brought food and water to people in need, and also helping train in-country troops and get them a little better trained with physical standards and some movements and things of that nature. A lot of the planes have changed over the years too, starting out with some propellered planes that the Navy used to use, and the Marine Corps and the Army we all used to use propellered planes, and up until 1942, when the Air Force acquired its first P-59 Air Comet. It's a small jet, and that was the first jet plane acquired by the Air Force. Again, that was in 1952. The Air Force has had a few jets since then. Some of the more memorable ones have been the F-117 Stealth Fighter, which was recently retired. It was the first stealth fighter ever. And then one of the more famous ones now is the F-22 and the F-35. The F-22 is now somewhat of a stealth fighter. It looks a lot smaller on radar. And then the F-35 is the first plane that can take off vertically as well as horizontally, and can also hover. After hearing my speech today, I hope everyone gets a better understanding of, a little bit of information on the Air Force and how it's changed over the years, going from propelled planes to jet planes, and succeeding from the Army to become its own branch. And after so many years, a lot of things have changed, and a lot of things have stayed the same. A lot of the morals and a lot of the values stayed the same from the Army. They're just now Air Force values. And hopefully you all have a better understanding of that now. Thank you.